Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn the difference between rank and dense rank in SQL. These functions return a rank starting from 1 according to the order by clause. Order by clause, as you know, is something that sorts the data in ascending or descending order. By default, it will be ascending order. So let's get started. Okay, in simple words, the difference between rank and dense rank is that when we use the rank function, it will skip the ranking of rows containing same values. So if there is a tie between the rows, like here if you see the salaries are same, 20,000 and 20,000, if you see here 15,000 and 15,000. So if there is a tie in the ranking, then the rank function will skip those values while the dense rank function will not do that. Okay. Uh, the syntax for rank and dense rank is pretty simple. So we use the rank function. It doesn't have any parameters, so you just put the parenthesis there. After that, you'll use the keyword over, and then you can order this by any column that you like. Then we have the dense rank function, which is also similar to the rank function, only we have replaced the rank function with the dense rank function. We have the over keyword, and then you will order this by. Now let us understand this with an example. Okay, consider we have this employee salaries table. This is the table that we have with employer ID, employer name, gender, department, and salary. Okay. Now I want to rank the employees according to the highest salary, and let us just see this by understanding the difference between rank and dense rank. So I'll show you both in the same query, and it will be much more clear to you guys what is the exact difference between rank and dense rank. So I'll just write select. I want to select employer name. I want to select department, and I want to select the salary. Okay. I will start by writing our rank function, which is rank, okay, the parenthesis, the keyword over. Now we need to find the highest salary. Okay, we need to find the highest salary. So we are going to order this by salary, but by default it is going to sort our data in ascending order, and we are looking for highest salary. So we are going to sort our data in descending order, for which we are going to use the keyword DESC. This is going to order our data in descending order, and then we'll assign a name alias to it, which is let's say rank. Okay. Now coming to the dense rank function, I'll use it in the same query so I can show you the difference between both of them. I'll write dense rank parenthesis over, then we are going to order this by salary, and don't forget to write the DESC keyword because we will need to find the highest salary, and we don't want it to get it sorted in ascending order, and we'll name the alias as dense R. Alright. Then I'll just write from salaries, which is our table name. Alright. I hope this is clear. Let us try running this. Now, if you see the rank, when we got the rank according to highest salaries, you see the second rank has been repeated twice because we are having the same values in those rows. But in the rank column, if you see, 3 has been skipped, and directly the fourth column has been appointed the rank, fourth row has been appointed the rank 4. So rank function actually leaves holes in the sequence. If you notice in the dense rank column, although the values have been repeated and they have been appointed the same rank, but Coming to the fourth tuple, if you see, the rank is 3 only and not 4, because it is going sequence wise. It is not skipping any value here. Right, alright. So this is the main difference between rank and dense rank. Now you can also use the partition by clause here. What is a partition by clause? It is basically a sub clause of over clause. So it is going to define, it is going to divide our ranking into partition according to the given parameter. So for example, I want to partition by a department. Alright. So I'll write partition by department. Similarly, here also I'll mention we are going to partition this by department. Okay, let us try running this. Alright, so first let us look at our rank function. Okay, when we are looking at the rank function, you see it started from 1, came to 2, because it has been partitioned according to the department. So we have our admins, and within that we have used the rank according to which one has highest salary, and then we have ranked them accordingly. After that, each one of them have been assigned rank 1. Why? Because all of them have different departments, so there's no criteria to partition them by. So all of them have got the first rank, and similarly for the dense. So let us actually try partitioning the column by gender. Okay, because I think that will give us a much clear idea. Gender, I'll write the gender over here. Now let us try running this. Alright, so now if you notice, we have we have partitioned our columns with the gender, and it has been assigned rank according to the salary and the gender. So first we have our females, both of them are females, and both of them are having the same salary, so both of them have been assigned the rank 1 and dense rank also 1. After that, as the the row changes, the criteria changes, now we are having the male part, so there the value has been reset to 1, the rank has been reset to 1, and after that it continued the ranking process. Now here, if you see in the last column, the rank is 4, because the values have been repeated, and it has skipped the value 3 and assigned 4th rank to John, while in the dense rank column it has still assigned the rank 3 even after it had repeated values. Alright, so I hope this concept is very much clear, and now you can easily distinguish between the functions rank and dense rank. Looking forward to see you in our upcoming sessions, and